It's getting cold, so let's make Mille-Feuille Nabe, Napa cabbage and pork belly hot pot, but with a slight twist using miso and soy milk. First, we'll make the broth. In a small pot, add 200 milliliters of water, 400 milliliters of unsweetened soy milk, 4 tablespoons of miso, 2 tablespoons of sake, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 clove of grated garlic. Turn the heat to medium-low and keep on stirring until the miso has dissolved. Once dissolved, remove it from heat. Moving on to layering the napa and pork belly. We're using a medium-sized napa that's about 800 grams. Cut it into quarter lengthwise. Wash it well while the core is still attached. Take one of the quarter and start layering the pork belly, starting from the biggest piece of the leaf. Continue layering until you reach the center of the napa. Cut the whole thing into 1.5 inches crosswise and discard the core. I ended up using about 350 grams of pork belly in total. Get a pot that is about 9 to 10 inches diameter and 3 to 4 inches deep. Here I'm using a 2.5 quarter shallow saucepan. Start packing the napa from the outer ring. Make sure you pack it tight because it will shrink quite a bit. Sprinkle some pepper and pour the broth over it. Place the lid and put it on medium heat. Once it's slightly simmering, lower the heat to low and cook for about 8 minutes more. And bring the whole pot to the table so everyone can enjoy. And here's the secret arsenal for all Japanese hot pot. Yuzu kosho. A fermented yuzu and pepper paste that has a pleasant citrus aroma with a slight bite from the pepper. It complements the fatty pork belly really well. So now you have it. Enjoy.